So the first thing we'll be doing is to fold our fabric. So I'm using this entire fabric, so I'll be folding it into four. First, I'll fold what? Into two like this. Hey fam! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this morning I actually woke up, I was thinking what tutorial should I post for my family, my subscribers, and also for new people that will see my video for the first time. So I was also thinking of what will I wear to church on Sunday? So I was like, okay, let me make something I'll wear on Sunday and I'll use it as a tutorial for you guys. And I actually have this beautiful fabric that I just got last week and it's so beautiful. So I thought of, okay, let me make a Bubu gown with it because I'm actually a lover of free outfits. I love free outfit. I don't like snatched or anything. I don't like outfit to be too fitted on my body. So I'll be making a Bubu gown with a fitted waist actually. So I can actually wear it as a Bubu gown with a fitted waist, so I can wear it as just a Bubu gown without the waist being fitted. So let's get right into the class. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I'm Empress here, your favorite pastor's wife. So I'll be doing what we call a Sunday outfit chronicles from now on. So you guys, my subscribers, you guys should watch out for beautiful videos of this. Yeah, so this will be the first one relating to what my Sunday outfits. So let's get right into the class. If you enjoy what you watch, if you enjoy the tutorial, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to my channel if this is your first time on my channel. Thank you guys so much. I love you. So I folded my fabric into two, but I want to cut my front and my back together. So I'll be folding again into four. So I folded my fabric into four with allowance for my front. So my front has an opening, it has a slit. So this is my back, while this is my front. So I want to cut them all together. This line will serve as my shoulder line. So remember I said this is my back. So I want to take what? My neck measurement for my back. So I'm using 3.5 for my width. And I'm using 2 for the depth. For my neck. So I'm using the entire fabric now. I think let me measure my entire fabric. I have 18 inches. 18 inches. Remember, this is my shoulder line. So I have to get what? My bust point. I'll be using bust point 10. Half length. I'm using 15 for my half length. So you put your half length here on your shoulder to waist, anyone you call it. So for my sleeve, this outfit is a kimono sleeve. You know, Bubus are mostly kimono sleeve. And what does kimono sleeve means? Kimono sleeve means you are not cutting out a armhole and piecing your sleeve. You're actually cutting out your sleeve with the fabric, with your main outfit. So cutting your feet together with your bodies is what we call kimono or kimono sleeves, whatever you call it. So I'll be going down. This is my shoulder line, remember? So I'll be going down on my shoulder line by 1 inch because I want to have the slants. So I'll connect to my neck. So I've slanted my shoulder. The next thing I have to do is to get what the length of my outfit. Length of my outfit. So I'll be using my full length is 52. I'll be adding 2 inches to it. That'll be what 54. So I'll be using 54. So my full length is what, 52. So let me measure what, 52. But my sewing allowance, I'll add also 54 as 2 inches. So this is my main length. Why this is my allowance. So there are two ways I actually do this type of bubu. I can actually just go up here by what, 10 inches. 10 inches. Or I get my knee measurement first. My knee measurement is 37. That's when I mean my knee measurements. I mean my shoulder to knee now. I'll come down from my knee measurement by 4 or 5 inches. So let me come down by 4 inches. I know you are seeing a lot of lines now. Please don't be confused. Remember, this is my knee line. This is the 4 inches I took down. So on this 4 inch that I took down, I'll be putting my hip measurement divided by 4. So this place will be straight. So on my bust spot line, I'll be going up by 1.5. First, before I go up by 1.5, I will come in here by 1 inch. So that 1 inch is my sewing allowance for the edge of my sleeve. So I'll go up here by what? 1.5. That's because I don't want a too wide sleeve. So if you want it to be wide, you can leave it on your bust point. You can go lower. Your choice. So I've gone up here by what? 1.5 inch. So I'll be connecting this 1.5 which I did here to this point here. Connecting from here to this place. So I'll be connecting to this place. So ensure you avoid what sharp edge here. Blend it. So this is my boo-boo. I'll be cutting it out now. I'll be adding 1 inch sewing allowance to the sides. 1 inch sewing allowance to the sides. You can use 0.5. Whatever you want to use to the sides. So can we see it? So I'll be cutting my neck out for my back. So for my front, I'm using what? 3 inches for the depth. And this is my back. So for my front, I'm using 3 inches for the depth. So this is the leg for my front. Cutting it also. So this is my back and this is my front. Yeah. So the next thing I want to do now, I want to indicate what my waistline on my front. My waistline on my front. So what I'll be doing next, remember her allowance here for the front. So I'll be closing it. So I'll measure my opening here. So I want it to be 4 inches. So 4 inches for my opening. So that means my sewing, my joining will be starting from here. For my slits, I want my slit to start at my knee. So remember my knee is 37. So if I move 37 plus from 52, from 54 now, remember my length is 54. So 37 from 54. I have 17 inches. So I've been measuring 17 inches. So if you want your slit to be more open than that, you can go above. Anywhere you want your slit, if you want it to start from your thigh, your choice. But I want mine to just be at my knee length. Yeah. So I'm measuring 17. Yeah. So that means I'll be joining from here to this place. So I'll be taking in the allowance I had from here to this place. So these are the place I'm joining. So that's the first thing I'll be doing now on my machine. So I've pinned because I don't want to have any shifting. I've pinned. See. So I'll be sewing now. So I've sewn from here to this edge. So next thing I'll do is to open up. Next, I'll be turning the neck of my fabric. I'll be turning both the front neck and the back neck. I'll be using bias to actually turn the neck. So after I've turned my neck, I'll open up my allowance. That's for my slit. Then I'll iron. So I'll be using my hemming glue. I'll fix it here. Then I'll iron. Down to the slit area. I'll iron straight down. I will do like that for this other side also. I'll be turning my neckline with the bias. This is the color of bias I have, so this is what I'll be using. So I'll be turning the neck of my back and turning the neck of my front. That's the first thing I'll be doing with my bias. So you can actually use, you can cut facing if you want for yours. You can cut facing, or you also turn with bias, or you pipe it with the same material of the fabric. So I'll be turning mine with what? A bias. So this is my front pattern. It's ready. See my neck. I've ironed with hemming glue. See my slit. So my slit is ready also. So the next thing I'll be doing now is what? Fixing my belt. So remember, this is a Bubu with a fitted waist. So it is the belt we are fixing now that will give it what? The fitted waist that we want. So I'll be turning over now to the wrong side of the fabric. So remember, this line is our waistline. Yes. So I'll be measuring my waist here now. Waist measurement divided by 2. So this is my midpoint. So waist 28, which is what? 14 is 28 divided by 2 is 14. So I'll be placing 7. You know, 14 divided by 2 now is 7. So 7 will be on this midpoint, like this. So this is 7 on this midpoint, like this. So I'll be marking it. And see that. So I'll be marking 14 also. So that means I have 7 inches from here to here, 7 inches from here to here. So that will be what my waist measurement. So it is on these lines, these 2 lines. I'll fix a belt here, and I'll also fix what? A belt here. So let's cut our belt out now. So I want to cut my belt out. So I'm using what I have left of my fabric. So I do not have a particular measurement in mind. But what I have will be enough for my belt. Let me see what I have. Yeah. Okay. This is like 4 inches, ignoring this place. So I have 4 inch from here to here. Let me see the length. 35 inches. So I have more than enough for my belt. So I just want to trim this out now. So this is my belt. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll turn like this. I'll sew. I'll close this place. I'll sew here. Down like that. See this edge. So I'll have this opening to turn out. So I'll be doing that for the two. So I'll turn out. This is my belt. I've turned it and I've ironed it. So I did this. You see it? I tucked this place in and ironed. So I tucked it in. This is it. I tucked it in and ironed. So I'll be sewing this place. So you can decide to actually close this place with your machine. But I won't be doing that. So I'll just be placing directly. So this is where I'm placing my belt. So I'll place here. Now sew. I'll sew. Let me pin it down. So I fixed the outer part. So the next thing I'll be doing is to join my back to my front. I'll be joining shoulder to shoulder first. After my shoulder to shoulder for my front and back, then I'll join the sides also. So I've joined my shoulder and my sides. Join my shoulder and my sides. So I want to show you how I joined my sides. I didn't start from here. I started straight from here. From this place down. Like that. So I will be ironing my sleeve edge with glue. I won't be sewing on it. I don't want to have a seam line there. So I'll just iron. This is how I'll be opening. And I'll iron it round like that. I'll do same for the other side. So after that, I'll do my hem the same way also. I'll be taking it in also using the hem glue. So I'll be using the hem glue also. But I'll be sewing this one. But if you don't want to have seam line also, you can just use your hem glue. So you can weave this edge, then just use your hem glue to close it like this. Take in your allowance. If you use 2 inches, you take in 2 inches and you close it. That's all. And my outfit is ready. So I'll show you the final outcome. So my outfit is ready. Can see it, so beautiful. Yeah, that's my neck opening, my slit. Yeah, so beautiful. So there you have it. That's the end of our tutorial for today. So if my village people spirit enters me and I want it to be a free outfit, I'll just remove the belt, and this is what I have. Yeah, so free now. So I can wear it like this. So I wear it with the belt being tight. So guys, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.